Adding custom links to display in the client portal is a simple way to provide clients with quick access to important resources. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. The client portal provides clients with their personal portal to add their own and their pet's details, request services, view their schedule, and pay invoices. The Other Links page enables you to provide custom links to websites such as your business website and other social media. To begin, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. To start, navigate to the Admin tab, and then Settings, and then select Client Portal, and finally select Links. You can show this page by toggling on or off the option to show other links. Let's go ahead and turn it on, and you will see that you have the option to add up to 8 custom links. You can add a title for each link, which will display as a clickable button. Just make sure to copy the full URL into the box below. You might want to link to an external terms and conditions page so your clients can always read them. Top tip: we'll also show you how to add your terms and conditions directly into PetSitter Plus in another video. Other links you may consider are buttons to your social media pages, a price list, or your blog or website. Once you have entered as many links as you wish, click Update at the top to save your changes. Now, let's take a look at the client portal to see how your clients will view this information. You can open a client's portal by navigating to their account and clicking Go to Portal, or by clicking the green Client Portal button on the right of your screen. Then scroll down to Other Links on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see a variety of buttons they can click, which will open a new browser tab to take them to the corresponding link. And that's it! Setting up other links that your clients can view in their portal is simple and straightforward, providing an easy way to direct them to additional information. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.